Hello everyone, this video related to basic computer fundamental part 4. This video covers these contents: operating system, function of operating system, computer virus, antivirus, internet, types of internet, file and folders. Operating system. An operating system is a software which acts as an interface between the end user and computer hardware. Every computer must have at least one operating system to run other programs. An application like Chrome, MS Word, games, etc. needs some environment in which it will run and perform its task. So this diagram shows of the operating system. Here is the hardware, CPU, memory, hard disk. These are the hardwares, and operating system like Windows, Linux, and Mac. And here is the user. So the operating system installed in the hardware, and the user use the computer. So the user, uh, the operating system provide the interaction between user and the hardware. So the interface provide to the user. So operating system functionality is uh, very great for the computer. Function of operating system. Memory management. Memory management means the operating system manage all file, where the file is stored, so which file is stored or delete. So such kind of operation performed by the memory management. Processor management. The operating system manage the processor management, support multiple files running in the operating system. So which file stop or run. So these operation managed by the operating system. Device management. So some device connected to the computer like a keyboard, mouse, printer, or any internet connection. So the operating system manage device manage which device run or which device not run. Security and error handling. Any error occurred in the computer, so the operating system handle that error, and the security uh, provide to the operating system by the operating system. File management. So we can make any file or delete any file. So this operation uh, performed with the help of the operating system. Facilitates booting. So we can boot the operating system in the computer. Computer virus. A computer virus is a type of computer program that, when executes, replicates itself by modifying other computer program and inserting its own code. When this replication succeeds, the affected area are then said to be infected with a computer virus. So computer virus is a collection of program, or it is a small software which infect to the computer, and it replicate. Replicate means to create a copy itself. The virus create multiple copies and spread in the computer hard drive, and the computer not work proper, the computer function not work proper, so the computer behave like abnormal. So the virus infect to the computer functionality. Antivirus. Antivirus software is a type of utility used for scanning and removing viruses from the computer. So the antivirus played a big role to remove, scan and remove the virus from the computer. Computer system modes. So these modes used in the computer system. Switch user. To be to this option to switch a user from one user to different user. Suppose multiple user use a system, user one, user two, or guest user. So we switch. We click on the switch user, and again we choose the user, which user work on the computer. Log off. Log off means we log off our account. So we just click on the log off and we uh, log off our account. Lock. Suppose we want to lock our account, so we click on the lock and we lock our account. So any user not access our account. Restart. So this button, this function restart the whole computer from starting. Sleep. So sleep is the perform the important operation. It's just when we click on the sleep button, so the computer get in sleep mode, and there is the process also stop, working stop, and there is no activity in the computer. Hibernate. Hibernate is it is a important uh, important or function. So suppose we are working in MS Word and using some internet or playing any song or video. So and these files open and running, and we choose the Hibernate. So the computer properly shut down means the computer properly power off, but the next time we uh, power on the computer, so the all file running in the previously, so the all files as it is open. So this is the important function of the computer. Shutdown. The shutdown option is shut down to the all running operation of the computer stop, and the processor completely shut down the computer. Internet. The origin of Internet date back to the development of packet switching and research commissions by the United States Department of Defense in 1960s to enable time sharing of computers. The Internet is a global system of interconnected computer network that uses the Internet Protocol Suite (TCP/IP). TCP/IP is a protocol. TCP is a transmission control protocol, and IP is an Internet protocol to communicate between network and device. This is the very important protocol. Protocol. What is protocol? Protocol is a set of rules and the different protocol used in the Internet. For email sending protocol, use the SMTP protocol. So the FTP is the file transfer protocol. There are the lots of protocol used in the internet. The internet, then known as the ARPANET, was bought online in 1969 under a contract led by the renamed Advanced Research Project Agency, which initially connected for major computers at universities in the southwestern US. So this is the ARPANET. ARPANET related to the internet. Types of networks. Local area network is also known as LAN, wide area network is a WAN, and metropolitan area is a MAN. So the LAN used in a local area network. Suppose in a small area we want to cover, suppose in a computer lab. So we connect many computers to each other and make a LAN environment. And wide area network, suppose one organization or in a bank, suppose a bank. So one bank connected to the different city, and the different bank connected to the in different cities. So the wide area network performs such type of operation in a different city. And metropolitan area means the in the long distance, means in the long cities from India to other countries, etc. Internet basic terminology. Protocol. Protocol. What is protocol? Protocol, like HTTP protocol, SMTP protocol, TCP/IP protocol. So protocol is a set of rules which perform different function via the different protocol. www. www is a World Wide Web which use in the internet to search any website. So we use www. So the www is a World Wide Web. Web server address. What is the web server address? Means suppose we want to open any website, so we must write the address in the browser. Suppose like www.google.com. So we put this address, so then the Google website open. Domain name. Domain name is a special name. Suppose we domain name related to different areas, like commercial areas. .com means a commercial area. AC.in means education purpose. Means AC.in means the dot in means the India, related to the India, and the AC.uk means it related to the UK, United Kingdom. So the domain name can use in different in the internet. Email. Email is a used to communicate to one person to other person. So we write email. So in email, we want to send to email to the one person to another person. So we must write the email address of the user. And browser is a software. Suppose the Internet Explorer or the Chrome and Mozilla. These are the browser. The browser provide the facility to open the websites or the retrieve the pages from the website. So without a browser, we cannot open any kind of websites. Web pages. Web pages related to a particular websites. Suppose we open any website like any institute. So the all web pages related to a particular institute means in menu options. So suppose in course detail or the faculty detail or any fee structure. So the different pages related to the particular websites. Search engine. Search engine is a is a server to open any kind of to search any kind of question or query or any website like Google. Google is a very big search engine to search any kind of query. We put in Google and uh, we get some information related to the that particular keyword. File and folder. So file and folder. A file is an object on a computer that stores data, information, settings, or commands used with a computer program. A file can be in different format like Word, PDF, audio, video, images, etc. And a digital folder has the same purpose as a physical folder. To store document, folder can store different types of files such as text files, audio files, video files, etc. So a folder contain many files. So a folder like in a document folder. So in a document folder, and we keep some our mark sheets in a document folder. So similarly, here is we create a one folder, and we put different many files in a single folder. So any queries related to this video, you can write in the comment box, and we will answer of that query. And if you get any knowledge from this video, so please like this video and share this video your friends, and subscribe our channel to get some notification related to the video. Thank you.